Hi folks, my name is Iiro Komulainen and today I'm going to show you how odd time signatures work. So let's dive into this. So when we have a time signature, we are counting two things. The first thing is the number, like how many we are counting something. And here in the 4/4 time signature, we are counting 4 quarter notes. So this means like how many, and this means like what we are counting. So as you remember, quarter notes, they are like this. And in the upside, that means that we are counting 4 of those quarter notes. But in here, if we have like 5/4, it means that we are counting 5 quarter notes in here. As you see, we are adding just 1 quarter note there. So that's what we are doing. And this isn't actually so complicated as many people are thinking, but we really need to pay attention what we are counting and how many we are counting. So in this time signature, we are counting to 5, and this means the notes that we are counting, basically. So 5/4 time signature would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we have the 4/4 time signature, it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are just adding only 1 note there. So 1 quarter note plus. But what about if we have some more like complex time signatures? Let's say we have 7/8. And then we are wondering like what we are doing in this time signature. So we have exactly the same process. So in here, we are counting to 7. And in here, we see that we are counting 8 notes. So we are no longer counting any quarter notes. We are talking about 8 notes that are twice as faster as quarter notes. So as you remember, 8 notes, they are like this. So in the 7/8 time signature, we are counting 8 notes, like 7/8 notes, like this. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. So this is what we are counting for. And here how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as you see, as the time signature gets more like wider and longer, the harder it gets to stay on the count. If you are counting for 7 or 9 or like even 13, you're like, and if you're counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can easily miss some beats. And then we need to do one trick that really helps us. In every time signature, you can divide that time signature into 2 and 3. So every time signature we can count by using 2 and 3 numbers. So in here, for example, if we have 7/8, we can divide that to 2, 2, and 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. And with this time signature, we can count it like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So it's way much easier to count. So that's the best formula for this. But how about if we have like 9/8, like this time signature? We just add another 2 here. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus equals 9. So then we are just counting like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's 9/8. But what if we have 13/8 time signature? That's pretty rare, but it can sometimes you can find those time signatures. So 13/8 time signature. Here we have actually like if we add 2, we have 11, and then if we had another 2, we would have 13. So we would have like 2 here, as you see. But that's pretty long too. So in this example, we can plus these 2's into 4's, like this. So this would be like 4's. So we have 2 4's, 1 2 and 1 3. So here we have 2 4's, 1 2 and 1 3. And this time signature would be like this. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 1 2 3, like this. Quite easy. And we can actually put these numbers in any order that we basically want. But this makes it, you know, really much easier to count like every time signature. And what if we have like this kind of time signatures? For example, like 7 16. In this time signature, we are counting 7 16th notes. So they are even more faster, twice as faster as 8 notes. So in this time signature, we would have 7 16th notes. So it would be like this. So I have here like 4 16th notes, and then like 2, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 3. Yeah, like this. So in here we have 7 16th notes, and this time signature would be also like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But as you see, it's hard to count. Then it's the same. We count 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, because it's way much easier again. So this works to any time signature. You can find out any time signature that you can use this technique, and this makes counting time signatures way much easier. And this is what you should remember when you are seeing any time signature. So if you like these kind of videos and want to see them more, leave me a comment and make sure to subscribe the channel. And we will see in the next video. Bye.